how to enable hotspot on iPhone 14 or other models. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can enable hotspot in your iPhone 14 or all the other models, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to enable hotspot on your iPhone 14 or other models, all you have to do is open up settings. You can only enable hotspot. By default it's going to be grayed out if you have cellular data turned on. So go to cellular first, turn on cellular data, and if you want to enable hotspot for the cellular data so that other people can connect as Wi-Fi, you can come to personal hotspot and make sure to just tap on allow others to join. You can set a hotspot password for yourself as you would be able to find it, and then once you've done that, people who are near you will be able to simply connect to your hotspot or your Wi-Fi as you can see over here, or you can also simply give them the QR code, and this way you'll be able to simply connect to someone else's hotspot on your iOS. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you in the next video.